Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, let me introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Syarif from class 12 TKJ 1. I will give a tutorial on how to crimping line cable correctly. Okay, watch the following video.
Yo Funky, stream
Okay, continue. Material and equipment. 1 pitch of line cable. 2 pitches of RJ45. Crimping village cable wire striper culture prox. Line tester. Okay, step 1. Prepare the material and equipment first. Okay, step 2. After finishing, take one piece of line cable that has been prepared. Okay, step 3. After that, cut off peel out using a peeling tool called a cable wire stapler scatter prox. Okay, step 4. After peeling the line cable, there are XML cable inside and there is a can of plastic evaporator that is cut so that it does not interfere and this is not needed. Step 5. After that, strike then the cable. Here I will strike and make sure it is in the right order, namely white orange, orange, white green blue, white blue green, white brown brown. Okay, step 6. After straightening it, cut it as crimping pliers so that it is net and straight. Then insert the RJ45 into the cable according to the sequence. Okay, step 7. After that, insert it into the crimping pliers. Then close it while pressing it so that it enters and does not come loose. Insert it properly and press it until it makes a crack. Okay, step 8. After that, test the finished line cable with a tool called a line tester. Insert board end of the cable into the port and turn it on. Wait for the legs to leg up in screens from on the egg. Okay, step 9. If the legs flash in sequence, it is successful. Okay, step 10. After success, it can be asked directly on a PC to connect to the internet. And that was the video on how the crimping LAN cable correctly. I apologize if there are any wrong words in the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share the Serif Love channel. Thank you. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.